to schedule text messages using shortcut app on iPhone. Open shortcut app from your iPhone, and here various feature of shortcut app you will find. So from the bottom menu of shortcut app, choose automation. Tap on here, choose new automation. Here, personal automation details time of day, alarm, sleep, arrive, leave. Tap on time of day. Choose a time of day to schedule a text messages when sunrise, sunset, time of day. From where you can particular set a date and time. Set a time from here under time of day. Thereafter, repeat daily, weekly, monthly. Choose as per your choice. You can choose monthly, weekly, or daily, and choose a start date. When will your scheduled text messages start it? Run after confirmation or run immediately. Choose any option. If you choose run immediately, notify when run, or run after confirmation. Click on next tab from the top right corner. Now your text messages will be successfully planned. Now tap on send messages. Here various options available: send messages, speak text, open app. Then you choose send message. Tap on it, and here send messages to select a recipients to whom you want to send or schedule text messages through shortcut app on iPhone. Choose a contact, choose done. If more than one recipients, then add here and send messages. Repeat option available one time. Tap on done. Now your message is scheduled at 10:50 a.m. monthly on the 23rd. Now we will add text messages. Under text, type your text. You can type any text messages. I am typing hi, fill the form. If you want to say anyone to fill any form, then you can send text messages, and you can schedule the text messages on scheduled date and time through shortcut app on any iPhone 15, iPhone 14.